Well, so this is in English. The stepfather or stepmother be considered mahram. Mahram means the relationships with which our sisters don't have to do hijab, niqab, coverings, and all that. It's relaxed. The thing is, by stepfather and stepmother, we have to be clear about these things. Stepfather could be your half father, in a way that if, let's say, somebody is married to my mother, let's say that person is not my biological father, now he cannot marry me if I was a girl. I'm just giving an example. Or I cannot marry his daughter from the previous marriage. I don't think I can marry that. So there is some haram relationship, it's mahram, like hurma, honored, haram, like forbidden relationship, like you can't have a physical relationship beyond certain things. So that's why in some cases stepfather and stepmother can be your mahram, in some cases, like where a half brother, half sister, in those cases where there's a half biological connection, either mother or father is either mother is yours or father is yours, in either or these cases. Again, there are some differences about that too, but that's the general rule. So it depends what kind of stepfather, stepmother we're talking about, in what cases. Okay, if it's completely an adopted child, or foster child, I want to use the word foster. Adoption can be debated. Fostering is different, foster care versus adoption care. Even if they have given you their names, but you haven't been breastfed, you haven't been nursed by that family, by the mother, then they would still be considered non-mahram, even if they ended up giving you new names, which they should not do. But even then, in that case, purely they are non-mahram. Okay. सवाल उर्दू में सवाल है जी.